Let's look at how to write the expression c plus z bar in the standard form a plus bi. So we've already been given the z part in the question. So what we have to figure out on this question is our z bar. And by definition, to find the z bar, you always keep the term in the z, the first term in the z equation as it is, and you flip the sign in front of the second term you have in the z equation. So the z equation is 8 minus 5i, and to find the z bar, what you do is you keep the first term, which is the 8, and you're going to flip the sign in front of the second term. So this negative sign here will change to a positive, and you add your second term. So now we have all that we need to be able to find the expression z plus z bar. So to find z plus z bar, it is your 8 minus 5i, which is the z, plus your z bar, which is 8 plus the 5i. So now your real part is going to be the 8 plus 8, which is the 16, and your imaginary part is negative 5i plus 5i, which will cancel out, so that gives you 0. So the final answer to this question is 16.